guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be showing you guys my productive morning routine. I always like to start the morning off by making my bed. I feel like this makes a world of difference when it comes to the rest of the day. Now it's time to brush my teeth and wash my face. Today I'm going to the gym, so I'm just rinsing my face with water right now, and then after the gym, when I shower, I'll do my actual skincare routine. After rinsing my face, I like to put a little bit of moisturizer on so that my skin isn't too dry. I also like to put a little bit of makeup on for the gym. Not too much because I'm going to be sweating, but I don't want to look like a zombie. Today's hair was easy. All I had to do was fix the bottom half since they were frayed from wearing them all day yesterday and to bed last night.
All the flowers in my garden never looked as bright as this. Like a happy child I watched them grow out of only seeds. Butterflies down my stomach when I think of you and me.
Now I'm just taking my vitamins and medications.
When you learn how to breathe, look at my eyes, what do you see? Feels like we're only meant to be. All of my life, where have you been? 'Cause you're the only thing I need. The only thing I need. The only thing I need. Never ever thought I'd find something quite as right as this. Not even late at night, in my wildest dreams.
Before I leave for the gym, I always have to remember my wallet and my headphones.
I just wish they also feel all this energy. Look at my eyes, what do you see? Feels like we're only meant to be. All of my life, where have you been? 'Cause you're the only thing I need. The only thing I need. The only thing I need. Look at my eyes, what do you see? You're the only thing I need.
Suntan, sunscreen, strawberry, ice cream, midsummer's daydream, sipping in between long days, warm nights, gliding like kites, sapphire, clear skies, whipped cream, cherry pies. Ooh. right around June 21st. And I slip in my swimsuit, diving head first. Everything's coming up roses, peachy. I feel like the world is finally swaying in the sunshine. Oh my, 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 it's looking so fine, divine. Fields of lavender, Provence weather, evening walks, the fireflies with the twinkling of secrets, whispering sprinklers, bare feet, fingers running through vineyards.
As soon as I get home, I like to take a shower. For skincare, I like to start with toner. This toner has really helped smooth out my skin, and then I go in with the same moisturizer from earlier.
Everything's coming up roses, peachy. I feel like the world is finally swaying.
For hair care, I really like using the Olaplex No. 7 Bonding Oil with the SGX NYC Blaze Heat Protectant Primer Spray.
Dresses, straw hat masses, blowing hair through the wind as we're spinning. Watercolor world, it's all just beginning. Roses, peachy. I feel like the world is finally swaying in the sunshine. Oh my, 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 it's looking so fine, divine. Roses, peachy. I feel like the world is finally swaying in the sunshine. Oh my, my, my.
When I blow dry my hair, I only blow dry the roots and then I let the rest air dry. After I'm done blow drying my hair, I clip my hair back. This gives it a little bit more volume as well as it keeps it out of my face. Next, I like to make some coffee. Now it's time for morning reflections and devotions. I'm currently reading through the book of Job, and I'm also doing a study on Psalm 23. Now I'm just sorting and putting away the laundry. I had done it the night before, but it was getting kind of late, so I decided to wait until today to do it all. time for breakfast. I don't always have breakfast, but on days that I go to the gym, I always make something to eat. Once I'm done eating, I try to wash the dishes right away so that it's not piling up. Once all the dishes are washed, I like to wash the counters. Now that everything's done, it's time for me to get ready for work. Alrighty guys, this is going to be the end of the video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. As I said before, this is my productive morning routine, but that doesn't mean it happens every day. Sometimes it only happens a few days a week. I try not to be too hard on myself, and you guys should try not to be too hard on yourselves either. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!